Today, we'll show just how Box Shield Pro helps public sector agencies secure content, ensure compliance, and reduce risk by automating classification and policy enforcement. For this example, we'll focus on a Health and Human Services agency who administers health benefits for state employees. Let's start by uploading some benefits-related documents. These documents include a PDF enrollment form and an image of a payment record. This is where auto-classification makes the real difference. When documents are uploaded, Box Shield Pro's AI classification agent instantly analyzes content, not just keywords, to detect context and sensitive data across data types. The agent automatically identifies and labels PCI, such as credit card numbers and other financial information, and PII, such as social security numbers and addresses. Labels are applied automatically and immediately, without any manual action by staff. Let's jump into the admin view to see just how easy this is to set up. We'll add a new label, PHI, which identifies information protected by HIPAA compliance. We'll add this to the AI classification policy and give the agent plain language instructions for determining when to apply the label. The key here is that it uses context, not rigid, rule-based indicators. For example, the agent can recognize a prescription order containing a patient name, medical record number, and drug information like diagnosis and dosage. And it identifies this information in images, not just within structured text. From here, we can test files to see how they perform, choose target folders the label should apply to, and set up conflict handling. Admins also have control over who can edit labels. And for interoperability, existing sensitivity labels from Microsoft Office can be ingested. We also have the ability to set access policies for our new label to enforce download and sharing restrictions. Back in our case folder, we'll upload a prescription which is automatically labeled PHI. Watermarks can be customized, and users can view why a certain label was applied, and adjust the label if needed. But classification is only half the equation. Once the data is labeled, Box's data loss prevention capabilities kick in. Here's a real-world scenario. Let's say this prescription was accidentally placed in a general folder alongside routine administrative documents. A staff member attempts to download that entire folder, unaware that sensitive PHI is mixed in. Box detects the prescription based on its PHI classification, and as you can see, prevents the document from being included in the download. The user didn't intend to exfiltrate sensitive data, but Box caught it anyway. That's how we use Box Shield Pro to save hours of manual work, enhance data loss prevention, meet compliance requirements, and free up time for your team to focus on higher value work, like serving state employees and ensuring benefits are administered properly.